Homemade waffles are easy and foolproof. They freeze well, which means they make quick pop-in-the-toaster breakfasts. You can make them at a fraction of the cost of store-bought with a few simple ingredients. You need milk. I'm using oat milk, honey, 2 eggs. I'll also show you how to substitute chia seeds for the egg, baking powder, and oil. I'm using melted coconut oil. This is my brown rice flour mix. Most store-bought gluten-free flour mixes contain xanthan gum. You don't need xanthan gum in waffles, and I try to eliminate it wherever possible. You can simply use 2 cups of my flour mix and be done with it. However, waffles are an excellent and easy way to incorporate the powerful nutritional benefits of alternative grains. I alternate sorghum, buckwheat, amaranth, and quinoa flour into my waffles and pancakes. So to my 1 cup of flour mix, I'm adding 2/3 cup sorghum flour and 1/3 cup buckwheat flour. You can substitute chia seeds for eggs and a lot of baked goods. So I've added a 1/2 cup of water to this 1 cup measuring cup, and then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, stir it, and set it aside for a few minutes. After just a few minutes, it becomes thick and you can add it to your recipe in place of eggs. To freeze your waffles, lay the waffles in a single layer on a baking sheet, place the baking sheet in the freezer to quick freeze the waffles, and then store them in an airtight container. Thank you for watching, and check out quinoa pancakes for another great healthy way to start your gluten-free day.